This short QPSMR companion video shows how you can easily replace entries used as the columns or rows on multiple tables with just a few clicks. In our analysis, we used an entry called VBreak as the columns for some of the tables. As you can see, this variable has 4 age group responses. Our client requested that the age groups be combined, but did not want the original entry changed because they would like to have both variables included when we create QPSMR Companion Reflect end-user analysis files for them, when all work on the project is complete. In our very simple questionnaire, you will see that we have created a new variable called VBreak2 below the original VBreak variable. VBreak2 has the 4 age groups combined into 2 new groups. Opening our tables file, let's widen the middle list of tables section. We can see the different column entries used for the tables. To update all of the tables that use VBreak, all we need to do is click any of the tables that have VBreak as the columns, then use the menu selection, select all tables using the same column. Notice that all appropriate tables are now highlighted. Then in the right-hand table section, change a column entry to be VBreak2, and all of the tables are updated. Note there is also a select all tables using the same row option, should you wish to change multiple tables that all have the same entry as the rows. However, today we will just run our tables to see the revised age group columns in the VBreak2 variable. Moving down the file, we can see that all of the tables have now been updated that used the original VBreak as the columns. Others are unchanged. If you would like more details about the products and services available from QPSMR Limited, please visit our website www.qpsmr.co.uk.